What's up guys, it is Short. I know I've been gone for a while, but today we're going to talk EDC coins, and these two are one of the best EDC coins you could possibly get. They're from Pete's Pirate Life, and I know he is releasing a brand new type of coin called Sink or Swim, I'm sure. I'll put a picture of it up on here, but these are one of the best EDC coins for photographers on Instagram. If you ever type in EDC coin, you probably have actually seen these. They're both very unique in the front and in the back. This one is my favorite because it actually can stand up straight. So for pictures, it actually makes it a lot easier to when this is able to stand up. The other one, however, does not stand up. You need to put something behind it for it to like kind of stand up, but it's still a really nice looking coin when you take pictures with it. I have a couple of these on my Instagram where I take pictures with them and they make really cool. I'll throw up a couple of pictures right now, and they are some of the best EDC coins you could possibly get. Yes, when you type in EDC, there are other coins that you can get, all pirate type themed EDC coins, which is really cool. I really enjoy these and the respective boxes that they come in. This one came in this. You have to figure out how to open it, which is a very interesting type of thing, but if you just slap it down, it opens from the bottom. This was a puzzle box. It was fun to figure out. You couldn't really, if you looked around and you feel it, this would not slide out until you hit it down like that and the coin would pop out. The other one that it was in this special thing. It has little screws. I don't know if you could actually see them, but this one had little screws that you would open it up and the coin would be in here. This is the leather pouch that it came in. Came in really cool custom leather pouches. The other one's cool little custom leather pouch. Peter McKinnon really does know how to make products interesting and fun, and I like these. These are cool little challenge coins that he made, and honestly, I love the way they look. They look incredible, especially on photos. Like I said, I probably threw up a few photos already. They look amazing. He has a new coin coming out called Sink or Swim. You guys should probably be following him on Instagram if you want to have a chance to even buy that. How much are these coins, you're probably asking? Well, they are a lot of money. They are $100 US, and the ship them, I think it's like $7 or $8, maybe $10 depending on where you live. But I think these are worth it if you want to have like some testing with product photography. I really do love these for product photography. Like I said, on my Instagram, I have a lot more than the pictures I've shown you. If you guys want to go check out my Instagram, his link is in the description. That's it for me. I'm going to try making more videos, but I'm also working, so it might be a little hard for me to make videos all the time. So maybe I put out a video once every month or once every week. Really depends. And since I'm not making money from YouTube right now, I need to focus my time on working than this, unfortunately. I would love to make this my career. I would love to make this be something, you know, that I would be able to do, just videos. It would be great. It would be more fun for me than what I'm doing right now. But anyways, that's it for me. You guys could definitely check out my Instagram for these coins. And remember, Peter McKinnon is dropping a new coin. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.